Outside. I walked outside for fresh air. I walked outside for fresh air.
Around. The teacher looked around the classroom. The teacher looked around the classroom. Upstairs. We played upstairs after dinner. We played upstairs after dinner. Outside. He waited outside for the bus. He waited outside for the bus. Downstairs. The cat slept downstairs quietly. The cat slept downstairs quietly. Abroad. They traveled abroad last year. They traveled abroad last year. Nearby. My brother stayed nearby during the game. My brother stayed nearby during the game. Inside. I left my bag inside the room. I left my bag inside the room. Outside. The children ran outside happily. The children ran outside happily. Downstairs. She sat downstairs with her grandmother. She sat downstairs with her grandmother. Ahead. We looked ahead and saw the mountains. We looked ahead and saw the mountains. Behind. He walked behind slowly. He walked behind slowly. Inside. The dog jumped inside quickly. The dog jumped inside quickly. Everywhere. I searched everywhere for my phone. I searched everywhere for my phone. Nearby. They live nearby now. They live nearby now. Outside. She looked outside through the window. She looked outside through the window. Upstairs. We went upstairs to study. We went upstairs to study. Away. The birds flew away suddenly. The birds flew away suddenly. Inside. He came inside because it was cold. He came inside because it was cold. Around. I looked around carefully. I looked around carefully. Outside. The students stood outside quietly. The students stood outside quietly. Ahead. She walked ahead with confidence. She walked ahead with confidence. Abroad. My father works abroad. My father works abroad. Outside. We sat outside in the sun. We sat outside in the sun. Downstairs. The baby crawled downstairs slowly. The baby crawled downstairs slowly. Around. He turned around quickly. He turned around quickly. Nearby. They waited nearby after school. They waited nearby after school. Inside. I placed the books inside neatly. I placed the books inside neatly. Outside. The children played outside all day. The children played outside all day. Behind. She walked behind her friends. She walked behind her friends. Everywhere. We looked everywhere for the answer. We looked everywhere for the answer. Upstairs. The teacher went upstairs after class. The teacher went upstairs after class. Outside. He stayed outside during the rain. He stayed outside during the rain. Closer. I moved closer to my friend. I moved closer to my friend. Abroad. They traveled abroad for work. They traveled abroad for work. Downstairs. The boy ran downstairs excitedly. The boy ran downstairs excitedly. Around. She looked around the park. She looked around the park. Outside. We ate outside in the garden. We ate outside in the garden. Nearby. He stood nearby and listened. He stood nearby and listened. Inside. I walked inside slowly. I walked inside slowly. Ahead. The car moved ahead carefully. The car moved ahead carefully. Everywhere. They searched everywhere for the dog. They searched everywhere for the dog. Outside. My sister waited outside patiently. My sister waited outside patiently. Behind. He looked behind nervously. He looked behind nervously. Upstairs. We climbed upstairs together. We climbed upstairs together. Nearby. The children stayed nearby after lunch. The children stayed nearby after lunch. Outside. I left my shoes outside. I left my shoes outside. Inside. She came inside after school. She came inside after school. Abroad. We traveled abroad during summer vacation. We traveled abroad during summer vacation.